Alright everyone, we are here at Clean Intentions Car Wash, and we are going to check out their automatic bay with a works wash of $6. Pretty cheap. And to me, it looks like this is a DNS 5000, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to pause until we're pulling in, or I'm going to see if I can get a walkthrough. So I'll see you guys in just a second for either. Sorry about the beeps, but there's your wash options.
I hope it's working because I can't see the screen's blank.
Oh, we'll see. Oh, there we go. So it did work, and it is. It's a DNS 5000. Would you look at that?
Wow.
It's in park because I turned off the beeps.
Oh, thanks. That is a different kind of car wash.
Yeah, this thing's old.
Look at that. That's a cool sign.
Yeah, I like it. I like the retro graphics.
Yeah.
Let's look at that. Oh. What am I looking at?
The signage on the wall.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. There
There we go. That's a high power pre-soak.
That's right.
It also doesn't look like pre-soak either. It doesn't sound healthy as smelling. Oh, here we go. Here's natural pre-soak. There it is, going down. Ooh, that smells good. I wish that this camera would focus correctly, but
Is it not focused?
it's leaking out of the bottom. It's doing well so far.
It smells different. Like, I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah, it certainly doesn't smell like your normal car wash. So the pre-soak light just turned off. Now it says Power Blaster Wash. Oh, it turned off. That's powerful.
Yes.
There we go. Oh, it says Power Gloss. Should have turned this on. So you can see what it's doing. Looks like this is one of these older 5000s that don't have the trifoam manifolds, but instead just spray clear coat out of the wands. I think they're running low on chemical because that's the best part that I could find. So, not doing too hot on the tri-gloss, but the sign changed to clear coat conditioner. The sign doesn't say anything, it doesn't look like. No, nothing's on the sign other than stop. Just changed to spot free. You guys can't see that, but it says spot free vents. There you go. Let's see, will we get dryers?
Oh,
Yes, we will.
outside.
What dryers are these? Dryers that I've never seen before. The heck are these things? They seem to be doing a decent job. Whatever they are. It looks like inside that big box there's a producer, and then there's another separate producer here for that thing. Never seen anything like this before.
Yeah.
Oh, there's two in there. Interesting. Let's see if this side will tell us anything. Doesn't look like it.
Sorry. There's actually a car behind us.
Oh, there is. Wow. This thing's busy all of a sudden.
It's later in the day.
Yeah. Well, that's a certainly unique wash. If anyone knows what those dryers are, please let me know, because I have no clue. But let's stop putting our focus to that and put our focus to the review. What did you think?
Based on the age and everything, I was impressed.
Yeah.
It was not expensive. It was well maintained. It did everything it was supposed to. It had cool signs. I don't know. What do you think?
I think maybe a 5 out of 10, or
Okay.
actually, let's do a 6 out of 10.
Okay.
So yeah, that is the DNS 5000 at Clean Intentions. There's definitely some things that could be worked on, but for a cheap, quick wash, that's
pretty old too. I mean, it's a big deal to have it be well maintained.
yeah, I'd
So-
say that's definitely a good wash. So yeah, that's Clean Intentions. They have 3 self-serve bays if you don't feel like going through the automatic. But yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.